Alright, if you're an international student gearing up to study abroad, you know the paperwork can feel overwhelming. Today, I'll walk you through how to fill out your student visa forms and get those all-important apostille documents step by step. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, gather your documents. You'll need your valid passport. It must be current, so double-check the expiry date. Next, your official university admission letter. This is proof that you're actually enrolled. Don't forget your financial proof, bank statements or scholarship awards work. You'll also need medical or insurance proof, and a background check from your state or the FBI. Keep all these in a dedicated folder. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Now let's tackle the visa application form. If you're heading to the US, you'll probably be filling out the DS-160. Enter your personal info, travel details, and educational background. Answer every question honestly. Don't leave anything blank unless it's marked optional. Upload a digital photo, but check the embassy's requirements first. They're strict. Once you've filled everything in, submit it online and print the confirmation page. You'll need that for your interview. Alright, on to the apostille process. This is for documents that need to be officially recognized by foreign governments. First, make sure your documents are originals or certified copies. Some papers, like your background check, might need to be notarized before you can get them apostilled. If you're not sure, ask. Getting this wrong can delay everything. Then, submit your documents to the Secretary of State's office. Delaware is a popular choice because it's fast, but check what works for your country. Once approved, you'll receive your apostilled copies, ready to submit with your visa application. Need this done in a hurry? Services like Delaware Mobile Signings can notarize and apostille your documents fast, often with mobile service, so you don't even have to leave home. They support over 100 Hague Convention countries and offer expedited turnaround. Super helpful when you're on a tight deadline. A quick tip, always double-check your country's embassy site for specific instructions. Requirements and forms can change, and you don't want any last-minute surprises. So, in summary, stay organized, fill out forms honestly, and don't hesitate to use professionals if you need help with notarization or apostille. Studying abroad is a big step, but with a little prep, you'll breeze through the paperwork. Good luck! Your global adventure awaits.